Recording payments in QBO with Birch Accounting and Tax Services Limited. I'm Amanda Birch, Certified Professional Bookkeeper in Leduc, Alberta. Your first step when recording a payment is to go up to the plus sign on your screen and click on Receive Payment. You will then select the customer that is making the payment to you. You will tab into the payment field and select the payment date. So depending on when the payment was received, you'll change that date. Doesn't matter if you're recording this 2, 3, 4 weeks out or, at the end of the year, change it to the date you actually received the funds. Okay. Then you've got your payment method. So was it paid by check, e-transfer, direct debit, your choice. Record it if it was paid by cash. So let's say we're getting a check today and we're going to put the reference number or the check number and we're going to select undeposited funds. Always put it into undeposited funds. This allows for easy matching when you go into your bank feed later on. And then you're going to select how much money that you received. So in this case, we're going to say they wrote us a check for $1,000. Note that it applies it to the first invoice. Now, if this $1,000 payment wasn't against this invoice, say it was a prepayment on March 15th for this March 20th invoice, then you can select that one instead and put that in there. When you've got all that information in, customer name, payment date, payment method, reference number, undeposited funds, dollar value, you can click Save and New. We'll record another payment here. So this one, we received the payment today. It was a direct debit to our bank account, so that's nice. Undeposited funds. Now, this person paid both of their invoices at the same time. So you can easily select these. It will create the total payment. Make sure that matches the payment remittance stub received by your customer. And Save and New. At this point, you can go into your bank feed and match up your payments. So, for example, we received this $1,000 here. We're not finding the payment that we received, so we're going to go to Find Other Records. We're going to change the date range here and select the payment that we were wanting to match. And then we can save it. If you're uncertain at this point, don't match it. Just leave it in your bank feed for your bookkeeper or accountant to deal with. If you have any further questions in regards to accepting payments in QBO, please drop us a line by either email or phone. You can check us out on our website at www.birchaccounting.ca. Have a great day.